Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to explain this Mi11X. I'm in the Poco F3 or the Redmi K40. We're going to discuss about the HyperOS, and that's the latest version based on Android 14, guys. We'll be seeing everything in detail regarding this Mi11X HyperOS. Will be stay tuned till the end of the video, guys. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, and let's begin this video. As you can see, guys, this is a Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0.14.0. This is the latest update available for Mi11X. In terms of stability and performance, it has been updated. This is the version. As you can see, this is the typical home screen and app drawer, and you also get the latest wallpapers included with Mi14. Mi15 or HyperOS version, latest version. You can see this is the settings panel, very smooth. I did not expected this since it's a ported ROM. I even tried this particular ROM to Poco X3/NFC. There I did not satisfied that much, but here it is a little bit better. It's much better and it is smoother, but definitely as it would be for Xiaomi 14, that will be different case, but for Mi11X it is smooth. We'll be seeing official build very soon. For that you need to subscribe to my channel, also allow that bell notification, guys. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notified. I'll start with settings itself. I'll showing some of the benchmark results also, but starts with this. You can see here, press this logo Xiaomi HyperOS, you get like this. If I go into detailed informations like this, as you can see, Android 14 here, and Mi version, it's nothing but HyperOS version is 1.0.1.4, and you can see for Mi11X, and kernel user is 4.19.246 is the kernel, no kernel. Hardware version is 6. This is how Android 14, and security patch is around 9th, I mean October 5th security patch. This how it is. We'll be going back like this. Will it work? Yeah. Mi mover is given backup and restore, factory reset, and certification will be given in the my device section. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth remains same. Let me show you this additional settings. You get these kind of options in the Bluetooth settings. You can block list, add the block list from here, pair compatible devices, allow in banned ringtones, show Bluetooth devices without names. Also you can enable that, which is quite interesting here. Always show status bar icon. If you want to get here icon always, then you can enable here, and always keep Bluetooth on. If you want, you can turn it on. That's all the new things I found in the Bluetooth settings. And mobile internet, again you guys can see nothing fancy here, but 5G is working fine. That's people going to ask me. Definitely 5G is working fine. Use the latest firmware. I recommend the global firmware while flashing this ROM. Anyhow it's ported, but still use the global firmware. Interconnectivity, this is also a cool thing. You should definitely use it once you have all the like Xiaomi devices. Hope this going to work fine once it's launched in India, I mean in specific countries. If it gets official launch, then this would be easy to access these kind of things. This is most advertised in the HyperOS. Even before also in Mi14 it was good thing. Now it is carried away in a great manner and updated little bit of things here. Network assistance also you can enable here. This is going to be a easy thing. You can connect all the Xiaomi devices together here in the interconnectivity, which will be coming soon to India at least. We'll see that. And more connectivity options you get, again these kind of options. NFC is there, but this Mi11X is not supported here in India. But if it is a Poco F3 or Redmi K40, you can check out in your particular devices. You can reset here, and you can connect to Chromebook from here. Private DNS is given, VPN is given, again airplane mode and portable hotspot settings are given here. And going into wallpapers and personalization, here you get theme selection. As you can see, you can directly go into those, and 2 themes are pre-installed here. If you want, you can install a number of themes. As of now I don't know will be available in HyperOS or not. The theme section will be updated anything different, but as of now it's given in this particular port ROM. And coming to lock screen customization, again you can see this is very simple, and you can get these kind of classic lock screen customization, which is very good. Actually Android 14 is also kind of similar settings we will be seeing in the AOSP kind of ROMs that has been carried away here also, but in different manner. As you can see, the styles of wallpapers together with the font whatever the time is given, which will look very good in my opinion. Once you apply, for example, I will use this, and you can even pinch to crop also there. You can pinch, I'll keep it like this, and you can change the wallpaper from here. You can apply some of the filter also, and matte effect if you want, you can do that. I mean, it will be get blurred. Let me do this, apply. Yeah, I will show you this, guys. As you can see, this is how the lock screen you get here, and this is always on display you get here. Together you can make it out everything. That's how it is. And icons, again, you can adjust from here. You can change it to classic or limitless. You don't get any themed icons option as of now. Additional settings, you get just effects here, notification effect. If you want, you can change it from here. That's how it looks. And additional settings, effects, again, fonts you can change. Mi Sans Pro is also, again, there are some plenty available, including themes application. You can adjust the size of it also. These all the settings is given. And coming to wallpapers, you also get this live wallpapers. Nothing added as of now. Let's see in the official build will they add anything. As of now, they're saying stay tuned for new releases, but let's see. I'm also curious to check those kind of wallpapers. And shape and shadow, you get all the 9 wallpapers. And again, wabi sabi, again 9 different wallpapers are given. Nature, patterns, and textures. This one my personal favorite, textures. I kept this blue color. That's the one favorite thing for me, at least. Let me know in the comment section, guys. And crystallization, previous versions wallpaper are also included here. I really like it. If you want, you can add them manually also. This is how wallpapers and personalization section. And lock screen, again, it remains same here. Wallpaper carousel, just disable it. Double tap to wake or turn off screen, raise to wake. Detect gaze and sleep timer you can set, and launch camera you can activate from here. Notification status bar, again, you get app notifications here. Individually you can disable or enable from here. Notification style, again, it's selected to classic. If you want it as a Android style, you can select from here. If you want, you can also select this show connection speed. If you want that, you can enable or disable from here. Edit carrier name, you can do that. Battery indicator, if you want to keep it inside the indicator, you can do that, or else outside you can do that. Hide notch, if you want, you can do that. I don't think anyone do that. And notch in individual apps, for example, everything is selected at auto. For example, if you want to keep it, I mean, always shown as. If any app is not playing in the full screen, then keep it as a always shown as, then it will play in the full screen. Smart devices control, if you want, you can make it none from here, then you will not get any options regarding to smart home features. If you want that, just enable and select Mi Smart Hub or the smart home from here. You need to install Mi Smart Home and connect your other IoT devices. This is how the notification control center. And home screen, you get bunch of customization here, nothing fancy. Again, you get a haptic light and classic mode and other options you can see on the screen. Again, home screen layout and gesture navigation, you get this simple. And arrange items in recents, vertical or horizontal, nothing kind of iOS style or anything like that. It's a smooth HyperOS, guys. It's not a modded or anything different from anything. And animation style, you can select relax, balanced, and fast from here. Into the display and brightness, again, you get light mode and dark mode. The visualization has been changed a little bit here. Dark mode options, you can enable some of the options from here. Again, I really like it. And automatic brightness, again, you get that sunlight mode also, you get that. Everything is good and I like it. This kind of visualization changes. And color scheme, again, you get plenty here. I kept warm and saturated. You can even select adaptive colors from here. AI Imagine Engine, you get super resolution, just turn it on, enhance the videos. And this one, enhance images, AI HDR enhancement, and motion in MEMC. This is also available here. All the options are included here. Let me disable the dark mode. Yeah, these are the options you get here in this display settings. I mean the brightness. Sound and touch, again, you get similar settings here. Touch, there are some different, as you can see. Haptic feedback level, you can adjust from here. Critical and realistic touch, you can select one among that. Also, you can select some of the pre-installed ringtones. And profile video for incoming video calls. He is given sound effect, again, Dolby Atmos is pre-installed. If you want, you can select Xiaomi sound and select the different options here, as you can see. Now you can also include the graphics equalizer and select your preset from here. Additional settings, again you get number of options. If you want, you can enable or disable from here, which are cool in my opinion. Moving into fingerprint, face unlock and screen lock. Here I little bit disappointed because face unlock is currently not working. As you can see, it is checking for security issues, but it will force come back here. But anyhow, screen lock and fingerprint unlock, which is really working fine, and it is quite fast. As you can see, just tap here, it will get unlocked, and also you get these options. You can select touch or press from here. That remains similar here, nothing fancy or any new. Here app lock is given, fingerprint payments you can select from here. These are the things you can get here. In the official build it will be available face unlock, or in upcoming build it will be get unlocked here using face. Quite interesting here. Privacy and security, again these are region specific options has been given, plenty are given. You can check out once you get flash this ROM, because it will be lengthy again if I explain. Apps, here you get these things, show all apps and other settings. Default apps you can change from here. These are the things given in this particular ROM. Again battery, which is quite interesting. As you can see, the graphical interpolation whatever it is given is quite good. It's not improved that much, but it's fine. Temperature and number of charges today also can be counted here, which is quite interesting. You might forget sometimes, but it is given. And these are the modes you get. Based on that, the battery life could have been increased or decreased. I recommend whenever you play a game or anything, video editing or any high-end task, then keep it performance mode. And if you are in traveling or anything like that, keep it balanced. And if you want to push your smartphone in great performance, then only you select this performance mode. No means keep it balanced. And if you want something extra juice of battery, then select battery saver. Ultra battery saver I don't recommend. Only it is useful once it is around 10%, then enable and don't use it for anything, just important calls. Then you can use ultra battery saver. And this how it looks, and this all the graphical representation you get. More apps also you can see from here. These are the settings and additional settings. Definitely you get screen recorder, you get plenty of options here too. You can select up to 100 mbps video quality, sound source, frame rate is also given up to 90 fps. In official I don't think so we get that. Now this is a ported ROM from Xiaomi 14 Pro, hence we are getting this. Wallet, accessibility menu, gesture shortcuts, again you get plenty here. One-handed mode, quick ball, clear speaker, gestures and shortcuts. Tap plus is given. Floating windows and memory extension up to 6 GB is given for 6 GB variant, and kit space is given. Enterprise mode, additional app features are also given. As you can see, you can enable or disable firmware. Nothing new in terms of additional settings, but they have revamped everything in the settings. Now moving into benchmark results, you can see the animations are also quite good. Once I come back from settings, as you can see, you get that cool animation. Again dialer, you get a MIUI dialer with call recording, that announcing, that will not announce the other person you are recording the call. Messaging, Chrome, everything. As you can see, you get that small animation everywhere in the application. And in the security application we'll see what all the things given. Yeah, these things are given. Everything is working fine. While playing game I'll explain in deep regarding this, and it's good. And we'll be seeing the Geekbench scores. Yeah, it's come out of memory anyhow. We're going to see in the gallery application. 1126 is the single score and 3146 is the multi score. And based on Android 14 and Linux 4.19.246, no kernel has been used in this particular ROM. And this is a 100 test CPU throttling test, guys. You get result like this. I really appreciate the result what I got. 324, average is 298 and minimum is 266, maximum is around 324, and it's throttled to 86% of its max performance, which is quite good in considering it's a port ROM, but still we are getting very good throttling results. And this is the charging animation once you plug the charger, and this how it looks in the lock screen. As you can see, charging rapidly. This is the home screen, I mean the lock screen. You can customize them as I explained before. These are the settings. And camera, again you get a simple camera. It's not a Leica or anything like that. As you can see, simple MIUI camera has been ported for this, and everything is working fine in the camera here. In the gallery, let's see whether this option is given. Yeah, recognize text table also is given. Adjust productive wallpaper, set as wallpaper, rename details, copy, add to album. All these options I explained in the shorts video in Mi11 14 itself. It's a little bit newer is the recognized table. let me agree that. Yeah, rotate, auto select, crop, these are the things you get in the MIUI gallery, and you also get a video editing features also. Those are included here. Currently I don't have any video, but you get those options here. If I press and hold here, you get widgets again. As of now, yeah, it's a Chinese kind of thing. We don't get this kind of other things in other countries, but what we get is press and hold here, you can edit the edit icon and widgets, supported widget. These things we might get in the official builds. Hope we can see very soon. And these are the system apps. Animation is also cool here, nothing fancy or anything like that. Coming to DRM information, again in this particular ROM you get a level 1 certified, hence you can watch all the OTT application in high definition resolution. And Safetynet status might get failed. Yeah, it's a ported ROM, but if you want to use it as a daily driver you can use, but payment methods might get a little bit of difficulty. But if you know how to make using Magix models, then you can make it CTS profile match also. I haven't done this 3D mark testing, guys, but instead of that I done ANTUTU benchmark results. You can see on the screen how low this scores are, but what we can see is GPU is not calculated. 1.8 degrees Celsius is the temperature rise, and 2% of battery has been dropped during this testing. Hope so I explained everything. Let's see how the BGMI will handle in this particular ROM and what are the graphic settings we get. I thought it would have, let me decrease a little bit of volume. This is the volume panel you get here. As you can see, it's quite similar. In the settings I have disappointed, just you get smooth plus extreme here, nothing more than that. I expected 90 fps by default, but anyhow it's not given here. And the audio also you can see Dolby Atmos hasn't added it. That's a game feature I'm explaining, and let's see how it handles performance. Before that, let me enable this game mode and show you these all the options you get currently. Hope so they will add these options. You also get this option saturated and bright. Keep it bright and saturated. Everything will be revamped here visually. Let me increase the brightness. Looking that's one more thing, guys. Brightness is not that much here in this particular ROM. Oh yeah, the gameplay is fine. Let me increase a little bit of volume. The vibration haptics is also very good here. Smooth. Let me enable this one, performance mode. Currently it's in balance. Yeah, now performance. Is there any boost options? Clear memory is there? Nothing kind of boost option. Let's see. Can I get any kill or not? I would have got, but current sitting position is a little bit difficult to me for playing this. Also you need to select remap your controls and use gyroscope if you are a gyroscope player, then it will be benefited. As of now the gaming experience is good. Oh, I want to make at least one kill, such that you people subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Here we go. I got it. I know. We'll come back here, and this is how the Mi11X HyperOS latest version, guys. This is a ported ROM from Xiaomi 14, but anyhow I hope I explained every feature available. You also get that get apps here. These all the applications currently I'm using. All the things I really like the user interface wise. Haven't seen any ads or anything, bloatware or anything like that as of now. But let's see how it comes to our country or specific countries, how they manage to give features and bloatware, whatever they want to give. Let's see, adware and all. Let's see. I think it has been improved in my terms, and this is the quick settings panel. It's the biggest change I can see, and we'll see how they can implement individual devices or Redmi, Xiaomi devices and Poco devices, how they differentiate that and how they manage to get updates as soon as possible. Let's see. This is my initial impression on this Xiaomi HyperOS, guys. For this Mi11X, I think you can use it as a daily driver. Just note that the Safetynet status is getting failed. overall it's a good ROM to use it as a daily driver. If you want to try it out, you can try it out, guys. That's my recommendation. We'll meet you with another interesting videos, guys. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.